Earth isn't floating. Food for decades. Now Earth under us plunges 100x bullet speed, still falling for 4.6 billion years. Why can't you feel it? You're falling too, like a free-fall elevator, floating. Earth's a giant elevator, dropping 8 billion towards sun. Oddly, Earth's fallen 4.6 billion years, yet never into the sun. How can that be? This answer flips your worldview. Earth falls, racing sideways. Gravity pulls it sunward. Its speed flings it outward. Two forces tug. Earth trapped. Hunter never catching prey, chasing 4.6 billion years, and 5 billion more still, until the sun. Newton devised a wild test. He asked, put cannon atop a huge mountain, fire to horizon. How would it fly? Slow speed. The shell arcs back to Earth again. Faster. Longer arc. Farther length at 7.9 kilometers/s. Magic. It falls forever, never reaching the ground. Why? Earth's round. Falling. Ground curves down. Shell follows. Ground bends away. Shell loops back to start. Chase. Dodge. Endlessly. Orbiting means always falling. Never hitting Earth. Earth orbits the sun. Same rule. Bigger scale. Earth falls sunward per second, yet flies sideways. 30-kilometer fall and flight distances cancel, leaving Earth just in an elliptical orbit. Like a hammer thrower, athlete grips rope, whips hammer ball hard. It strains outward. Forces tie. Hammer just circles the athlete. The sun's the athlete. Earth, the hammer ball. The unseen rope is gravity. Mystery haunted humanity 200 years. What's this invisible rope? Newton discovered gravity, but admitted not knowing sun, Earth. 150 million kilometers of vacuum. How can it pull? Could space hide a mysterious substance? In 1915, Einstein answered, crazier than the question. He denies gravity. Apples fall, not Earth's pull. Earth doesn't orbit because the sun tugs it. It's so massive it warps nearby space into a curve. Earth slides along space, thinking it's straight, yet circles back to start. Space-time curvature. Picture a trampoline from the edge. You walk straight ahead, right? But if a fat guy sits mid-trampoline, it dips down. Walk on. Look straight, but you loop a hollow. Back at start. Sun's the fat guy. Space's trampoline. Earth walks along edge. Earth thinks flying straight. Curved space makes it orbit. Sounds like sci-fi. Proven in 1919. Eddington tested it during solar eclipse. Bright sunlight hides stars. Total eclipse reveals them. Eddington found those stars' positions shifted slightly from normal. Why the shift? Starlight bends as curved space near the sun pulls it along. Light travels straight. If space curves, straight paths bend. Like a curved mirror, everything shifts position. This experiment shocked the world. Einstein became a superstar overnight. But one question remained. Where did Earth's 30 kilometers/s answer? 4.6 billion years ago. No solar system. Only huge gas. The cloud slowly shrank under its gravity. and spun. You ask why it spins. Matter bears angular momentum, like bathtub water forming whirlpools. Cloud shrank, spun fast like skaters pulling in arms. Cloud core grew hotter, ignited fusion, and finally became sun. Debris became planets. Earth was one of them, spinning since birth. Speed is inherited, not bestowed. But a cruel secret lies. Early solar system had 8+ planets. Thousands of bodies sped differently, too fast. It escaped the solar system, a rogue planet drifting at -270. Slower ones dove into the sun, burned till nothing remained. Only the just right speed survived. Earth wasn't lucky. It survived brutal selection. Every planet still orbiting stands on countless fallen siblings. Should we fear Earth suddenly spinning out? Hardly worry. Space is near perfect vacuum. No air, no friction. Earth's 4.6 billion year momentum. Still, scientists calculate Earth drifts from the Sun 1.5 centimeters yearly, tiny enough to ignore. In a billion years, 10 to 20,000 kilometers. Barely what ends all this is the Sun's death. In 5 billion years, Sun exhausts core fuel, swells into a red giant. 200. Then Mercury. Venus gets swallowed. Earth, if spared, still roasts too. But that's 5 billion years away. More importantly, Earth sits perfectly, far enough from the Sun for liquid water, moving just fast enough to hold orbit, on spinning just right for days and nights. All conditions made it nearly impossible, yet happened. The universe's harsh physics chose our warm home. Next time you look up, remember this truth always. You're not still on a planet at 30 kilometers/s. With 8 billion crossing space, we fall. Run. Never stop. Cosmic marathon. This run has lasted 4.6 billion years. Onward. Blue Earth. Gentlest miracle in the dark universe.